I'm so scared because if I announce it, then it's real. Yeah, Rico and I are over.
Tuloy-tuloy ang pagtulo ng luha ni Maris Racal nang i-anunsyong natuldo ka na ang 5 taong love story nila ng OPM star na si Rico Blanco.
It's fresh. It's been a few weeks. Loneliest, emptiest weeks I've ever experienced in my life.
Hindi na idinetalya ni Maris ang dahilan ng kanilang paghihiwalay. Pero ayon sa aktres, kailangan muna niyang harapin mag-isa ang susunod na kabanata ng kanyang buhay.
Sa 5 years namin together, we were always on the same page. Always on the same page. But I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I